country people, thank you very much. We are here live and direct here at World Center for Truth. This day, we are also with the spiritual director, Oba Izod. Thank you very much. Sir, please, can you tell us more about you?
Yeah, I am still the worldwide truth organizer, the spiritual director, World Center for Truth, the present human rehabilitation organization in African community, caretaker, third world country, advisor, develop world power countries, and the coordinator world economy. I am here, Obi Izod, Africa, yeah, the seven agent that is speaking to the seven church age, the thunder of God, and the fifth devotionalist and the last word devotionalist.
Thank you very much, sir. Please, sir, do you have phone number, contact?
Yes, I have my phone number.
Okay, call it for us, sir.
I have my phone number, the first phone number, 081-4225-4818. The second phone number, 090-7569-4702.
Thank you, sir. Okay, here is also the Honorable PA to the Spiritual Director, Oba Izod. Sir, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Please, sir, may we know you very well, sir?
My name is King Bob, the incoming king of Orifte, PA to Spiritual Director, World Center for Truth, Oba Izod. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Amen. My country people, we have a wonderful topic today. The topic of this day is truth unfolding itself worldwide. Sir, as the spiritual director, popularly known as Oba Izod, sir, please, can you please tell us what you think could be the reason why President Muhammadu Buhari's pigeon did not fly during the remembrance of the Nigerian Armed Forces?
Yeah, that's what we are saying about this truth. Is unfolding itself worldwide. If you can go to my last topic, I commented about dealing with marginalization in the zone, marginalization in the state, marginalization in the communities. Then I brought a suggestion that the whole world has viewed that we have to keep the sea zone rolling. We can make it zonal election. We avoid the national election, zonal election, state election. Then we have to commit the committee leaders, give the project to develop their communities. Very simple thing. That's the truth. And then when we cannot hold this truth, it is spiritual. The spiritual things will not unfold itself. That is the reason. Very short and simple.
Okay, that's the reason why the pigeon could not
yes.
fly.
It connects to my last message.
Yes, because this thing I'm saying, asking you now is going viral on social media and Nigerian news updates. All right. Okay, no problem, sir. We'll still get back to you next Saturday. God bless you, sir. All right, sir. Please, in conclusion, do you have any, advice for the federal government? Because what has happened has happened. Do you have advice for them?
Yes, I have advice for them, but firstly, as a doctor, I have to heal myself and heal my community and heal my soul and heal my division. See, I have this, I can go back to 1999 Just Convention, when it was between Obasanjo, Rimi, and the women. It is very down stupid to my Igbo brothers that they did not vote for Ekweme during that time, 1999. Yes, another thing unfold itself 2003 when Ojukwu picked Africa ticket for presidential ticket when he had negotiated with Obasanjo. Obasanjo asked him, Nigeria or Biafra? Then he decided to take Africa ticket, supporting Nigeria. Then our Igbo people, they did not still vote Ojukwu. So, what we call charity that begins at home. I have to address my Igbo nation, Igbo people first, before I can go to federal government. Then, to federal government, I say what I say. I say what I say. We have to avert and kill marginalization, religious sentiment, ethnic sentiment, build in one God, one nature, one culture, one tradition, then one religion, because God is one. Yeah. This different religions create a problem, because Nigeria is a religious country. That is why we are having every problem we are having. If we want to develop this country, I repeat it, I said it, I'm repeating it. We have to connect the whole zone, commit the whole zone. We have zonal election, not the national election. Zonal election, we have state election. Then we commit the community leaders to develop their community. Nigerian nationwide, every community, a community leader will be involved. Your community leader is not up to 1 mile, like my own, is not up to 2 poles from my house to my community leader. So if communities were not developed, then we hold our community leaders responsible. Very important. Then we crush local government system. Yeah, we crush it totally. Yeah, we scrap local government system. If we can tell ourselves the truth, local governments were not working anything. We transfer it to community leaders, community development, community project by community leaders. Very important. We do state election, we do zonal election. When it is time for any zone, I don't like to hear this language, minority. Nobody is minority in Nigeria. They used to say 3 Igbo major tribes, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. No, it will be rounding the 6 zones. When it is time for this zone, they do election, bring out president, then he goes on to rule this country. We do state election, then we commit the community leaders to take care of their community project. Very simple.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Stay with us next Saturday. We have a lot to give to you. God bless you. I still remain your humble servant, MC Ogro C. Okenife, the professional talker. Bye.